Have you been thinking about starting this cleaning business for a little while now, but you're overwhelmed because you don't know what to do and you're afraid that this might become a job for yourself? You're afraid, I just don't have the time to actually pull this off. Or will it ultimately be worth it if I do? If those questions are rolling around, this video is for you. I'm going to remove a lot of overwhelm before I do my new microbook. You've been waiting for it. It is ready. The $5,000 client playbook, building a cleaning business you don't need a vacation from. It's free right now because I want you to get your hands on it. Go check the second link in the description. Go get it. It's yours. All right. Removing the overwhelm. So for me, I built and scaled two successful cleaning businesses in two separate states. And I've been helping people exit their 9 to 5s and build their own successful cleaning businesses. So I've been around so many of these growths, hundreds and hundreds. Okay. So I know what it looks like when it works extremely well. And I know what it looks like when it doesn't. It looks disastrous, right? And ultimately, the reason why is because if you have to just buy into the fact that this is a simple business. Okay. So one of the ways you do that is by avoiding shiny object syndrome. All right. So the first lesson right here is know what to focus on from day one. There are a lot of different things. There's a lot of different videos. There's a lot of people out there giving you a lot of different advice. So the first and best thing you can do is just pick one. And it doesn't have to be me. It doesn't have to be. I'm a bit of a lunatic. It doesn't have to be. I'm not for everybody. But that's your step one. Because if you're listening, if you're listening to me say a certain thing and then someone else is saying something completely different, that's going to overwhelm you. So first and foremost, start there. Okay. Now for everyone who hasn't clicked off and you're like, all right, Mike, I'm going to roll with you. Okay. So after you do that, the next thing you need to do, like what's the next thing you should focus on? Take a week. That's it. Just give yourself a week, an hour a day, and let's narrow in your brand. Okay. Simple logo, simple cleaning business name, search my channel. I tell you how to do all of this really simple. Get a simple website. Are there other things you can do in the beginning? You may be thinking, what about my Instagram? What about Facebook? Should I be posting in groups? Should I be on Pinterest? The answer is no. The answer is you just need to keep it simple. Something my fourth grade teacher used to say to me all the time, Mike, kiss. Keep it simple, stupid. Yeah, it was the 90s, so you could do that. But it really resonated because I remember it to this day. Kiss, keep it simple. We'll go with silly. I'll go a little easier on you. Once you build that brand, that's the reason why I say give yourself 7 days is because you may get into this like overwhelm of like, what about this? What about no, 7 days. Once that brand is ready, we go into the next phase. The next phase, give yourself 2 to 3 weeks and let's land our first client. Now, this, I mean, honestly, there are so many different ways you can go about this, but I want you to just pick one. Okay. Again, I have many videos on the topic. Go through them. I show you how to get clients. Okay. Are there more advanced ways? Yeah. Are there more advanced ways to get you high ticket clients? Absolutely. But in the beginning, don't focus on anything other than landing your first client. Especially, are you at a 9 to 5? Let me know below. Comment 9 to 5 below. Are you trying to escape? Are you trying to build that freedom with this business? Then avoid the complication. Avoid being obsessed about anything other than that first client. Because I'm telling you right now, going from client 1 to 2, easy. Going from 10 to 11, easy. 20 to 22, easy. But 0 to 1, that's where the chasm is. I mean, there is a Grand Canyon sitting there. Like, get that first client out of the way, get that first office contract signed, and then you put your first cleaner there. And then train, step back for a couple days, step back for a couple weeks. You're going to start to see that this is a business that is easy to systematize. If it's easy to systematize, it's easy to automate. Keep it simple. That's all you have to do. think about just the first 30 days. Say, hey, you know what, Mike, I'm gonna take you up on this. I'm gonna try to do this myself. I'm gonna go out there and try to win my first client. This is how you do it. It all comes down to focus. It all comes down to put one foot in front of the other, right? Walk, crawl before you walk before you run. Do you want to have this cleaning business built to where you have like 6 high ticket clients and you're putting 10, 12,000 cash in your pocket every month without doing the cleaning? Do you want that? Yes. Well, it starts with the first client. It starts with just focusing on the first 30 days. That's what I help people do in my program all the time. Complete beginners. Just focus on getting your first win out of the way. You do that, and then you have the foundation to build something special. That is not hot air. That's a hot tip. All right. So for those of you who want the tactical step by step, you want my help. You want my team to hand you the winning things to send. We want you to hand every aspect of this business: how to price, how to win, how to thrive right out of the gate, how to automate. Click the first link in the description. Get on a free call with my team. See if we can help you get there. If you want to work with us, we can help you get there. But for everyone else, you're like, no, Mike, I just need some YouTube University because you got my wheels turning, but I need to know what's next. This video is next. Don't overthink it. And if the video's over here, I don't know, but I'll see you over there. Peace out, Cub Scouts.